Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deep clean and deodorize your wooden utensils. So you're going to put one tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl, add a little bit of water to create a paste. And once you've done that, you mix, and then you apply it to the wooden utensils. Okay? You never want to soak your wooden utensils because it can crack your wooden utensils and make it unusable. So here is me putting the paste on each wooden utensils I have. Just scrubbing it well. You can use a brush, and if brush is not feasible, you can use your hand and just scrub the paste on the wooden utensils. Just scrub real good, get into all those areas, so that way you're cleaning it and also deodorizing it. Using baking soda like this is really good. It's effective and natural, less chemicals. You don't have to expose yourself to chemicals or your utensils to any chemicals, especially when you're going to use it when you're going to use it to cook. So you just do this for several minutes, and then after you've rubbed it in, you're going to rinse with water. Okay. So you rinse it in water for a few minutes. Make sure it's clean, and then you can do this once a week to help deep clean your wooden utensils and deodorize it. Okay, there are multiple methods to clean your wooden utensils, and this is one of the methods I use weekly. So to take care of your wooden utensils, make sure that after each use you wash it and air dry it, so that way it doesn't crack. And then you do this once a week to help deodorize, detox it, and keep it in good condition. Okay, so after you give it a good rinse, you're going to put it on a paper towel or a cloth and let it dry. Okay, and this is what I'm doing here. The baking soda really works. It's very effective in cleaning a lot of stuff. Okay, and then once you've done all that and it's dried, then you can get some olive oil and just a little bit of olive oil and place that on the wooden utensils and just rub it in just to give it its shine and maintain the condition of the wooden utensils. Okay, I put a lot on that one, but you get the gist. So just put enough that you need and just rub it in real good. And then once that is done, then you can just put in a pot, standing up for it to dry a little bit more with the oil. And then after that, you're good to go. You can use it for your next cooking, and it's very easy, natural, non-toxic way to deodorize, clean your utensils. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.